Welcome to this quick overview of the 2024 Toyota Sienna XSE all-wheel drive, now wheelchair accessible by Vantage Mobility, available at Diehl Toyota of Butler. This Sienna boasts a hybrid engine offering both power and efficiency. With seating for up to 5 passengers and a wheelchair, it's perfect for families on the go. Thanks to Vantage Mobility's conversion, this Sienna is now wheelchair accessible. The Northstar Conversion includes a power-in floor ramp for easy access, maintaining the vehicle's all-wheel drive capability. Inside, the Sienna offers convenience and comfort with features like 7 USB ports for connectivity, durable rubber flooring, and LED lighting throughout. The Access360 Interior is designed for maneuverability, allowing large power wheelchairs to navigate with ease. Additional features like interchangeable front seats for easy switching between drivers and passengers, ramp assist for deploying the ramp in case of power disruption, power kneel for automatically lowering the suspension to reduce the ramp angle, and a 7-year warranty offering the industry's longest rust-through warranty. Safety is paramount with features like pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, full-speed range dynamic radar cruise control, automatic high beams, lane departure alert with steering assist, lane tracing assist, and road sign assist. The Sienna XSE all-wheel drive features a sporty design with available 20-inch dark wheels and front sport seats for enhanced comfort. Experience the versatility and comfort of the 2024 Toyota Sienna XSE all-wheel drive, now available at Diehl Toyota of Butler. Visit our website at www.diehlauto.com for more information and take a test drive today.